Now I can let you know, because of all you've shown, I've grown enough to tell you, Lindy, you'll always be inside of me. Bye, Gabi. How many roads have gone by? So many words are left unspoken. I needed to be by your side. Di mo, Agi? I'll always remember. You know this song, everyone? Forever in my heart. Forever we will be. And even when I'm gone, you'll be here with me forever. Once I dreamed that you were gone. I tried and tried to find you. I begged the dream to fade away, and please awaken me. The night took a hold of my heart. Busog pa ako, thank you. And left me with no one to follow. The love that I lost to the dark, I'll always remember. Forever in my heart. Forever we will be. And all that when I'm gone, you'll be here with me. Forever in my heart. I'd always thought I'd be. I'd be yours. Oh, 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 oh. Forever. Thank you so much, Maubay ang Gabi Tacloban! Hello, mayang gabi, sir. Good evening. Hi, good evening, everyone. Kamusta? Hinahin na lang, basing bakwan mo din. Hello, hello, hello. O, sige, selfie daw din. Selfie daw ta, okay lang? O, sige. Smile, everyone. 3, 2, 1! Thank you so much. All right. Hello. Hello, may gabi. Okay na ba? Hala, okay. Na ba yung mga Bisaya diri? Kabalo mga Bisaya diri. Oy! Maayo! Daghan. Pero ano? Mga Tagalog. Meron po ba mga Tagalog dito? Meron din. So okay lang mag-Tagalog na lang tayo, no? Para maintindihan lahat. Oo. Diyan, sa likod po, okay lang po ba kayong lahat dyan? Yes, thank you so much. Alright, so ngayong gabi po ay pupunuin namin kayo ng, since kanina, alam namin hinihingal kayo sa kakatalon, di ba? So ngayon, ay pupunuin namin kayo ng mga love songs. Okay lang po ba sa inyo yun? That's good. Ha? Okay, very good. So, karon